Have you ever wondered how interest rates impact the world of trading? Well, interest rates are like the heartbeat of the global economy. They're set by central banks, like the Federal Reserve in the United States, and they determine the cost of borrowing money. Now, when it comes to trading, interest rates play a pivotal role. For one, they can influence the value of a country's currency. If a central bank hikes up interest rates, it can make that country's currency more attractive to investors. Why? Because higher interest rates mean higher returns on investments held in that currency. Similarly, interest rates also affect the stock market. When interest rates are low, companies can borrow money cheaply, potentially boosting their profits and, in turn, their stock prices. But if interest rates rise, borrowing becomes more expensive, which can eat into corporate profits and drag down stock prices. So, as you can see, a keen understanding of interest rates is crucial for successful trading. But don't worry if this all seems a bit complex. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Welcome to Trader's Lesson, your academy for mastering the art and science of trading. For those who are new to this world, we aim to simplify the process, demystifying jargon and breaking down complex concepts into digestible bits of knowledge. One such concept is the influence of interest rates on trading. At Trader's Lesson, we believe in the power of understanding. That's why we take you behind the scenes of the financial market, helping you grasp how interest rates affect your trading decisions. This deep comprehension allows you to navigate the market with more confidence, make informed decisions, and potentially increase your chances of success. But learning at Trader's Lesson isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's about empowering you to become an independent, savvy trader who knows how to read the market's pulse and make strategic moves. Don't miss out on the opportunity to become a savvy trader. Join Trader's Lesson today and take the first step towards a successful trading journey.